There is a specific kind of exhaustion that sleep does not fix. It lingers even after rest. It follows you into ordinary moments. Often, it comes from effort you don't even realize you're making. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote names that hidden effort and points toward the relief that follows when it ends. Exhaustion fades when you stop performing for an invisible audience. This quote reminds us that much of our fatigue is performative. We adjust our tone, our opinions, even our ambitions as if someone unseen is grading the outcome. We curate reactions. We edit authenticity. We carry a silent pressure to be impressive, agreeable, or invulnerable. That invisible audience may be built from past criticism, social comparison, or internal standards that were never examined. Yet we behave as though it is always present. The result is constant tension, not from living, but from presenting. When you stop performing, energy returns. You speak more directly. You move more honestly. Decisions simplify because they are no longer filtered through imagined judgment. Integrity replaces impression management. And with that shift, exhaustion begins to ease. This is not carelessness. It is clarity. You can pursue excellence without performing for approval. You can show up fully without staging your life. Here's one simple way to work with this today. Notice one moment where you feel the urge to appear a certain way. Ask yourself who you're trying to satisfy. If no real person is present, let the performance drop. Carry that steadiness with you as the day unfolds. You do not need an audience to validate your effort. Often, exhaustion fades the moment authenticity returns. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Authenticity restores energy, and integrity outlasts impression. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.